Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do the Tunisian half double crochet stitch. Now you can start by using any yarn of your choosing, and I'll also be using a 4.5mm Tunisian crochet hook for this tutorial. Now the Tunisian half double crochet can be worked over any number of stitches. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be starting with 10 chains. So let's start first with a slip knot, and then I'm going to chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the Tunisian half double crochet will not use the customary foundation row for Tunisian stitches. Instead, I'm going to show you how to do the forward pass for the half double crochet stitch starting now. So to do that, yarn over your hook, and in the second chain from the hook we're going to insert our hook and pull up a loop. And then we're pretty much going to do a yarn over and pull up loop in each stitch going all the way across the row. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. And we're going to do that all the way through to the end of the row. Now because we did one yarn over in each stitch going across the row, you'll see that we have way more loops on our hook than the number of chains that we would have started with. In fact, for our yarn overs, you'll notice that that's actually the same number of stitches that we would have started with minus 1, because we would not have done a yarn over for our first stitch here. Now I started with 10 chains, which means that the number of loops that I have on my hook would be 10 plus 9, so that's 19 in total. So that's 10 from the number of chains that I would have started with plus 9 yarn overs. So I'll just count just to make sure that I have 19 in total. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now our return pass is also a little bit different than a customary Tunisian return pass. We're going to start by yarning over and pulling through 2. Typically we yarn over and pull through 1, but we're going to pull through 2 for the half double crochet. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through 3. So yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do that straight through to the end. So yarn over, pull through 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 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 3. And you'll see at the end that we have 2 loops remaining on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Now once completed, you'll notice the half double crochet pattern going all the way across the row. We're going to be working behind this stitch here. Now to do that, we're going to yarn over and insert our hook behind. This would have been the yarn over from the last row and the stitch. We're going to work our hook through both from right to left. So like that. and then we're going to pull up a loop. And then we're going to repeat that going across the row. So yarn over your hook, insert your hook behind the stitches from right to left, and pull up a loop. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook behind the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, we're going to insert it behind or have double crochet stitch there and pull up a loop, and we're going to do that straight through to the end. Now in the last stitch, we're going to yarn over, and I'm going to do a traditional border stitch here, and that's where I'll insert my hook not only to the top of the stitch here, but in its corresponding back bar, so there as well. So I did my yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook through the stitch like that and pull up a loop. Now once completed, you can go ahead and repeat the return pass as we did in the previous row. So that means yarn over and pulling through 2, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, and we're going to do that all the way through to the end of the row. Now the Tunisian half double crochet, it is a 1 row repeat, so we're pretty much going to repeat this until we're at the desired length, and I'll just show you how to do it once more. So we're going to yarn over, insert it behind the stitch from the previous row and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert it behind the stitch from the previous row, pull up a loop, yarn over, we're going to insert it behind the stitch from the previous row, pull up a loop, yarn over, and we're going to do that straight through to the end of the row. And for our last stitch, we're going to yarn over and then do complete or border stitch, and then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 to start the return pass, and yarn over, pull through 3 for each of the stitches going across the row until we're at the end. And with our last 2 loops remaining on the hook, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. Now continue doing this until you're at your desired length. Now this is how the pattern looks on a larger sample. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as yet. Thanks again for watching. Bye!